Alright, YouTube, been looking for a speaker alternative for around the house, something I can bring out in the garage while I'm working on things, bring out to the back patio while we're in the hot tub. And this is what I've decided on, the PartyBox 300. Nice big speaker by JBL. So this video is just going to be an unboxing, just so you can get an idea of what you're looking at when you purchase this thing. So let's get it out of the box, see what we got. So as you can probably tell from the packaging, this thing is pretty sizable. It's a big speaker. But I wanted something that's going to have nice deep bass. So I started off by going to Best Buy and taking a look at the Sony GTK XB60. And they had the GTK XB90 as well, which was more comparable to this. But there was one thing about this that I kind of liked. I watched another YouTube video on it. I'll put it in the links. I don't remember what the guy's name was. But what he did was he compared a PartyBox 100 to the XB60. And you could hear the clarity of the sound of the PartyBox 100 was much, much better than that of the XB60. So I was looking, and there was only $100 price difference between this one and the other one, the 100 and the 300. But the 300 has a port in the back. And I think the speaker size is varied from, this has got a 6.5-inch subwoofer, whereas the 100 has a 5.25-inch subwoofer. So this thing should deliver with the larger speaker diameter and the port in the back, the ported box, should pump out some pretty serious bass. And I like my bass. So let's see what we've got. The only thing in the box was that, and this here. I have no idea what's in here. I'm assuming a power cable, etc. Let's see what we got. So this actually looks like a car adapter, like a cigarette lighter type of business. So that's kind of cool. Instruction manual, which I'm totally just going to disregard. I'm just going to turn it on and go for it. It's like a power outlet that plugs into your home. So that would be handy. Actually, I might look at the instruction manual later to see what this is all about. But for now, let's just plug it in and see what we got. Let's show you what we've got on top here. We've got the power button, Bluetooth button. I think this controls the lighting, bass boost, volume, and play button. So let's go ahead and just push the power button and get right into it. Keep in mind, I've not looked at the instructions at all. I'm just turning this thing on. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get this thing turned on. Get it paired up. And let's get some music going. as you can see, this is the volume control. As the volume goes up, this makes its way around the circle. Controllable from your phone. So another option is this little button right on the top here. This will control the light pattern. You can turn it off. So that's one pattern. That's the next. Here's the next one. And off. So I guess 3 options. So just a heads up, they no longer make the 300. I'm gonna put a link to the 310 down in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Everyone, if you enjoyed today's video, I would invite you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below right there on the right-hand corner. And if you felt that the products in today's video is something you might like to own yourself, there's a product link right up there to the right, upper right-hand corner, or down in the description will be a product link for you to purchase the product as well. Thank you very much for watching YouTube.